Hello and welcome to another MDR video where today we're testing the Velbus VMBDMI-R 400 watt leading edge dimmer, and we're using the Ansell Prism LED FRD lamps, not to be confused with the Prism LED Pros, which we tested in another video. These are the FRD versions. So as you can see, they're not off to a good start at all. The dimmer is off, and yet clearly you can see the lamps are on. So just to be clear, the difference is these are an all-in-one fitting, as you can see here. So main straight into the top of the lamp. And notice, so these are the FRD versions. I'll go through the motions anyway, but we know they're not going to pass. So from what we believe to be nothing to full, as you can see, it snaps quite brightly. The dim curve's nice. It's dim enough, it's dimming in the room. We'll take it back down to 50%. Dims quite nicely. Yeah, that's okay, but they don't go off. So that unfortunately is a fail. But tell you what I'm going to do, just because I've got them here, I'm going to put one Prism Pro lamp in circuit with these FRD lamps and see what happens. Stand by, be right back. Okay, welcome back. So I've added one Ansell Prism Pro version LED lamp to the two Ansell Prism FRD lamps, and as you can see, they're all off. So it doesn't take much to take off that little bit from leading edge dimmers. So let's see how they behave as an ensemble. Don't forget, this one is the Pro with the toucan connector and the separate mains connection. Let's go from nothing to full. Okay, the Pro comes on faster and is smoother. The FRD lamps lag behind. I'll just take that out of it so you can see it. So the Pro came on faster, smoother. The FRD lamps not so great, and we'll take them out. And how does that behave? Yeah, they all go out at a reasonable pace. Let's come on from nothing to 50%. Again, the Pro's in there ahead of the game, and the FRDs can't even make their minds up. Oh, don't you love it? Difference in electronics. Let's dim them up and see what happens. And then we'll dim them back down again. How brave can I be? How low can I take it? Okay. There you go. Well, that explains a lot, doesn't it? Pay your money, takes your choice. So on this occasion, if you're going for Ansell lamps, by all means buy the Prism Pro versions. Wouldn't go near the FRDs, not if you're looking for quality of dim. Right, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be the first ones to see any new videos I pop up. We've got lots of news coming ahead over the next couple of months, so keep your eyes peeled. And if you're interested in becoming a distributor or an installer, then reach out. The email is in the information below, or you can find us on the web at mdar.co.uk. And if you're interested in distributors from around the world, go to velbus.eu/sales, enter your town and country, and they'll find you a distributor nearby. Best of luck with your Velbus installations. If there's anything at all we can do, please reach out. We'll always be here to help and make sure that your installation goes as smoothly as possible. Thanks for watching.